Labor Day bike ride with Aunt Stacy. How do you like Beckett's new bike?
Pretty awesome. It's very big. I didn't realize you were so big.
Okay, we're gonna get ready. Go, Beckett, go. Bike. Yeah, that'd be a good thing. Akito, did you notice what I added to my bike?
No. Oh, did you hear? Is it going?
It is going. I thought I charged it yesterday because I thought maybe we'd go tubing, and I wanted to have it for the tubing. Is that guy coming up behind us? Boom, boom. See your signal. And well, you can still signal. Here we go.
I'm getting aerodynamics.
That's good. That's a great word, too. You still need to signal, though, Mr. Aerodynamic. Okay, they're coming close to us. How come you're putting your bike down when you've got a kickstand? Well, don't forget you got kickstand. You go, girl. Jump over. The daddy's right behind. Oh well. That didn't work too well. Go, Izzy, finish, finish. Finish strong, Izzy, finish.
She's not aiming to win, Beckett. She just wants to finish. What's time? Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Your feet hit the ground.
Now she's competing. Now she's trying to beat you. You can get her. You can get her. Nicely done, Mommy. Nicely done, Beckett. High five, buddy boy. Nicely done.